Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about how to convert a percent to a decimal.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem here. Convert each percent to a decimal, and we got two of them, 6% and 78%. Let's deal with the first one, 6%. Now there's a very quick way to do this, but I'm going to show you the real math behind how this kind of works, and then we'll show the quick way at the end. 6%, we want to write this as a fraction. 6% is the same as 6 over 100. Now if we did some long division here, 100 divided by 6, we need to get that to, or 6 divided by 100, we need to do that to get the decimal form. So if we do long division, 100 into 6, can 100 go into 6? No. So that is 0. Put a 0 there. Can 100 go into 60? No. Add another 0. What about 100 into 600? Well, it can do that 6 times. 6 times 100, 600. Subtract the 2, we get a 0, we're done. And 6 over 100 is the same thing as 0.06. My zeros and 6s have the same movement, and that's why I mess it up. 0.06. Alright, so 6% is 0.06 right there. Now, what about 78? Same process here. Let's write that as a fraction. 78% is the same as 78 over 100. If we do some long division here, 100 into a 78. Well, 100 goes into 78. Can't do that. Let's add another place value. Put a 0 here. Put a 0 up here, decimal. Can 100 go into, well, 780? Yeah, 7 times. 7 times 100 is 700. We subtract the 2. 780 over 700. Minus 700 is 80. Add another 0 to bring down here. And well, 100 and 800 is 8 times. 8 times 100. 800, we're good, and we get a 0. So 78 over 100 is 0.78. Now here's a quick way to do this. If we take a 6%, all we have to do, that 6%, is move the decimal place that's right here to the left 2 spots. 1, 2. We have a 0 here, 0, so we have 0.06. Same thing with the 78. There's a decimal place right here. To the right of it, move it to the left 2 spots. 1, 2. Got it right there. 0.78 is the decimal version of what we have. Either way, we had two answers. 6% became a 0.06, and 78% became 0.78. Hope you learned something here on how to convert a percent to a decimal. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us make more of these free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.